Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between market and marketing. Although these two terms are closely related in business, they have different meanings, functions, and objectives. A market is where buyers and sellers interact to exchange goods and services, whereas marketing refers to the activities and strategies used to attract customers and promote products. Let us understand the major differences between market and marketing. Number 1. Market refers to a place or platform where buyers and sellers exchange goods or services, whereas marketing refers to the activities and strategies used to promote and sell products or services. Number 2. Market is a condition where transactions take place, whereas marketing is a process that creates value and builds customer relationships. Number 3. Market focuses on the exchange of goods and services, whereas marketing focuses on creating demand and satisfying customer needs. Number 4. Market has a comparatively limited scope, whereas marketing has a broad and dynamic scope covering various business functions. Number 5. The objective of a market is to facilitate buying and selling, whereas the objective of marketing is to attract, retain, and satisfy customers profitably. Number 6. Market acts as a medium of exchange between buyers and sellers, whereas marketing identifies customer needs and develops suitable solutions. Number 7. Market is generally demand-driven, whereas marketing is customer-driven and aims to influence demand. Number 8. Market is often viewed from a short-term transaction perspective, whereas marketing focuses on both short-term and long-term business growth. Number 9. The main activity in a market is buying and selling, whereas marketing includes research, product development, pricing, promotion, and distribution. Number 10. Market mainly helps in transferring ownership of products, whereas marketing creates value and builds brand loyalty. Number 11. A market exists when buyers and sellers are present, whereas marketing activities can begin even before a market is fully developed. Number 12. Market follows a transactional approach, whereas marketing follows a strategic and relationship-building approach. Number 13. Information in a market flows naturally through transactions, whereas marketing uses research and communication tools to gather and share information. Number 14. Examples of markets include stock markets, wholesale markets, and farmers markets, whereas examples of marketing include advertising, branding, digital campaigns, and sales promotions. Number 15. Market success is measured by transaction volume and sales, whereas marketing success is measured by customer satisfaction, market share, brand equity, and profitability. Conclusion. To summarize, a market is the place or environment where buying and selling occur, whereas marketing is the process of creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. The market is where value is exchanged, while marketing is how value is created and promoted. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.